Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring a cultural stop here in Cancun that offers a mix of Mexican tradition, craftsmanship and shopping, starting with Hacienda Dona Isabel, followed by a visit to a nearby silver store and a tequila shop and factory. Hacienda Dona Isabel welcomes you with a warm traditional feel. From the moment you arrive, the Hacienda-style architecture, earthy colors, and open-air layout set the tone for a relaxed and cultural experience. It feels peaceful and authentic, a place designed to showcase Mexican heritage rather than rush you through it. Inside the Hacienda, you'll find a beautiful selection of handmade jewelry. These pieces are crafted with care, often inspired by traditional Mexican and indigenous designs. You'll notice the attention to detail, from the textures and stones to the unique patterns that make each piece feel one of a kind. This jewelry isn't mass-produced. It reflects the work of skilled artisans and the stories behind their craft. Whether you're browsing or buying, it's a meaningful way to take a piece of Mexican culture home with you. Just a short distance from the Hacienda is a dedicated silver store, offering a much wider selection of Mexican silver jewelry. Here, the focus is on silver craftsmanship, with displays of rings, bracelets, necklaces, and earrings ranging from simple, elegant styles to bold statement pieces. The staff often exclaim the quality and purity of the silver, along with how the designs are made. It's a great stop if you're specifically looking for silver jewelry or a memorable gift from your Cancun trip. Another highlight of this area is the tequila store and factory. This is where you learn about one of Mexico's most iconic traditions, tequila made from the blue agave plant. Visitors are guided through the process from harvesting the agave to cooking, fermenting, and distilling it into tequila. The experience usually ends with a tequila tasting, where you can sample different types from crisp blancos to smoother reposados and rich añejos. The stops may also offer flavored varieties, adding a fun twist to the tasting. It's informative, interactive, and a great way to appreciate the craftsmanship behind every bottle. This stop in Cancun offers more than just shopping. It's a cultural experience. From the handmade jewelry at Hacienda Dona Isabel to the refined silver pieces at the nearby silver store and the educational visit to the tequila factory, each part adds something unique to the journey. If you're looking to experience a different side of Cancun beyond the beaches and resorts, this is definitely worth a visit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. More travel experiences coming soon.